My wife and I went to Pattaya a few days ago and we went to the Thepprasit market. You can find everything in this market. Clothes, electronics, decoration, fashion, pets. But let's talk about the food side of the market. The food is delicious in this market. That is where we spend most of our time that day. They have so much choice. You will find something you will like to eat for sure. We stopped in this little shop that makes papaya salad. They call that somtam in Thailand. My wife wanted to get one. Everybody loves papaya salad in Thailand and also outside of Thailand. Actually, we made a video in the channel if you want to look at it on the riverside. This video has the most views of all the videos we've made recently in the channel. So I think people like papaya salad. What is funny, it seems so easy to prepare papaya salad. If you hear Thai people, they will tell you which one is a good shop, which one is not a good shop to go. Some people can't do a good papaya salad when some others do delicious papaya salad. So they always go to the same shops. And this one especially is always full of people. Apparently those two girls, they have magic hands. Chicken feet. That was a dish for the poor people back then. But now everybody eats chicken feet. Even tourists, even me. Something you will also find in Thai markets and street food markets and stuff, it's sushis. Thai people love sushis. The sushis, they are between 5 and 10 baht. It depends on the size. So now $1 is about 30 baht. The small sushis, they are 15 cents, and the big ones about 30 cents. Chicken is also everywhere, prepared in so many different ways. Spicy, barbecue, teriyaki, garlic sauce, etc., etc. So let's keep walking and watch some of the shops. Here is something Thai people also love, seafood, and my wife couldn't resist. So here we are buying some seafood. This girl is wondering what I'm doing with my camera, filming from so close. I'm sure she has no idea she's gonna be on YouTube, watched by hundreds, only hundreds of people for now. My channel is not big enough. This is an example of how cheap street food can be. 29 baht for bát kapao. It is 90 cents US dollars. Bát kapao is minced pork with basil. Very often they add a fried egg on top of it. It is delicious. It's one of my favorite dishes actually in Thailand, especially at this price. Even if the selling price is only 29 baht, they sell so many of those every evening. He's got 4 in front of him, 5, and he keeps making more and more and more. Every time people are coming. ดึงเนี่ย So let's get some fruit shakes. Here again, incredibly cheap. 25 to 30 baht. It's 75 to 90 cents for a big glass of iced fruit shake. And they are delicious. My wife wanted to try the avocado one. First time, never tried it before. A little bit surprising. It's not bad. It's sweet. I don't know if they add sugar in it. I think they do. I wouldn't say it's my favorite, but it's healthy. So let's have a try. If you go, you can try it. I think mango, banana or strawberry, better. These shops selling smoothies, there are so many of them, big ones, small ones, and they keep selling all night. People love that. It's so refreshing when it's hot outside. Let's accelerate a little bit the pace to go to the next shops. You can also find some sweets like these little cupcakes, very colorful and delicious to eat. But sometimes Thai cakes look beautiful, they have beautiful colors, but they don't taste really good. So those ones are mini cupcakes. They taste nice. I've tried some of them. But like the big cakes, some of the decoration cakes for weddings and stuff, they have so many colors. They look amazing. For pictures, it's great. But to eat, not as good. Here more fresh fruits along the alleys, walking around. Always nice to see that more people are coming now that the pandemic is slowing down. Thailand starts to open a little bit now, so we're going to see more people soon, I hope. And another famous and delicious Thai dish, kamu, which means pork leg in Thai. It takes hours to prepare, but it is worth it. A must try if you come to Thailand, believe me, you have to try this dish. The majority of the shops in those markets, they sell single dish. This one, they sell many different dishes. Spicy ones, most of them actually are spicy, but you can also find non-spicy food. And if you're not sure, just ask and they will be answering you with a big smile. Another famous one in Thai markets is the fried insects. Normally Thai people like to eat that like snacks. If you come to Thailand, you can try. I don't recommend trying them all. Some are pretty special. For example, the crickets, they're easy to eat. They're crunchy, they taste a little bit like roasted almonds, and it's not too bad, so you should try them. They're full of protein also. In every single market, you always have the best seller. Here, it's this shop, the fried chicken shop. The chicken here is better than KFC, and I'm not joking. The preparation is kind of a secret, but I don't think it is true because my wife did it, she tried, and it was delicious. And I've been eating here in this shop for so many years, so I know how they taste like. If you want, we've made a video also, so you can check it out and tell me what you think about it. They sell the chicken with fried onions. The shop is always full of customers, always people queuing, waiting all the time to be served. We paid 110 baht for 2 big legs, some chicken feet that my wife wanted to eat. We had the fried onions, and they also give you some sauce on top of that, plus 2 sticky rice. 110 baht for all of that. There is some more sweets, very nice little buns. I love to see these shops and people preparing the food in front of you. It's magic in these markets. You can enjoy real fresh Thai food and see them being cooked for you. What is nicer than this? It's funny to see the reaction. You don't always see the faces people make because I'm not always filming their face. But every time I stop in each one of these shops and I stop with the video and I'm filming, they just look at me like, what is happening here? I think they're gonna get used to see me because I'm gonna go again and I'm gonna film more. This is some kind of Korean style crab and seafood. Must be delicious too, but I haven't tried it here. And again, some more sweet food. The mini pancakes. They are very nice. The kids love that. And not only the kids. And they're also very cheap. 30 baht. Very nice hand technique. As you can see, you have different prices: small, medium, large, and a big box, from 20 baht to 60 baht. Enjoy. Another seafood shop, but this one made in an omelette. They have different kind, different prices, different sizes. They look nice and crispy. And another famous dish, the pad thai, as always, prepared in front of your eyes. You can find it in any single street food markets in Thailand, and it is delicious and cheap. We have seen most of the food shops today in this Pattaya Thepprasit market. We didn't stop on every single one of them. We could have done it, but it would have taken time. So if you want to see more, if you like this kind of videos, just let us know in the comments and we go again, make more videos. Yeah, so just let us know. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Sawadee krap.